going on, YouTube? This is a sneak peek of what's to come this weekend at the Plano Train Show. As you can see, I am charging up the batteries in my tender of 157. And I'm just going to give you a preview of the sounds. There's the whistle, the bell, and the chuff. I stop it right there. Just like that. Probably want to go over the details. This video is a shout out to my friend Mr. James Conductor, who did this custom job on this tender. If y'all didn't notice, this barrel was actually modeled after the ice barrel from 2248. Back when she pulled the tarantula train, they had this barrel that says shelf cool. I think that's what it says. And that's where the engineer and firemen stored their drinks. And also what was done was the re-rail frogs were relocated from the center, which is more common on LGB mogul tenders, to back here, just like 2248's re-rail frogs. So there y'all go. I hope y'all enjoyed this preview, and I will see you next time at the Plano Train Show. Thanks for watching.